Today's energy industry is challenged like no time in history, facing an increasing demand for oil and cleaner energy sources like natural gas, while protecting the environment every step of the way. One geophysical company is uniquely poised to help the industry meet these challenges, and in turn, better serve society as a whole. The company? WesternGeco. The heritage of WesternGeco dates back to the beginning of the seismic industry. Over the years, the companies that comprise WesternGeco's heritage have led the industry in all phases of seismic services through an aggressive combination of geoscientific research, field engineering, and software development. Today, WesternGeco stands alone, uniquely positioned with the largest investment in seismic technology and the most experienced workforce in the world. It is a new company, a new kind of company, and a new leader in the industry.
Out of the box, WesternGeco is the undisputed leader in our industry. We lead by every measure. We lead with range of services, we lead with revenues, we lead with profitability, we lead with the best people, we lead with the highest technologies and the largest R&D budget in the world. Our data processing capability is unmatched. Our ability to turn around seismic surveys is unmatched anywhere in the world. We're the go-to company.
WesternGeco's processing software leads the world in providing innovative algorithms and sequences to deliver the highest quality seismic images in the shortest amount of time. New technologies like Q-Land, Q-Marine, and Q-Seabed will revolutionize the seismic method with single sensor technology, delivering reservoir image definition. WesternGeco's highly skilled, diverse workforce delivers the solutions clients demand, using the latest existing and developing technology, and working with clients throughout the world to responsibly and safely develop the world's energy resources. WesternGeco is going beyond using seismic services as strictly an exploration tool by taking seismic into the reservoir.
With the new technology, we will move more of our services into the reservoir. So therefore, the old roller coaster ups and downs that we have had in the industry in the past, assuming we are successful, we will have a more stable activity and a more stable business environment.
We're going to do this with a tremendous focus in the very near term in WesternGeco on teamwork, customer service, and efficiency. Those are the three hallmarks that we must achieve very high levels of performance at during the first year of WesternGeco's existence.
Teamwork means that the people of WesternGeco are able to draw on resources and expertise across disciplines and without boundaries wherever it exists within the company.
Our communications, our trust, our ability to work together is not encumbered by traditional boundaries of time zones, geographies, cultures, and countries.
Both of our companies have always focused on people and our employees, and we know that without terrific teamwork in the field and through our support people, we won't be successful. So it's the absolute key to our operations.
The nice thing about product lines, of course, is that we get a very strong focus on our primary product. But it requires teamwork at a regional level to make sure that we address the customer's needs and that we don't get into the traditional silo of focusing only on our product line. So through teamwork at the regional level, we can get the best of both worlds of the strength of the product line matrixed with a more geographic type of structure.
It is so critical that we have a team that can deliver. The only way we can create new ideas, deliver our services, is through people. So it's the cornerstone of whatever we do.
Customer service is key to the success of any company. At WesternGeco, the organizational structure has been designed specifically to optimize customer service.
Our area managers and our global marketing structure is set up to exclusively enable us to focus on our customers without any other, through this organization, without any other day-to-day responsibilities in terms of working on operations and delivering goods and services with a bottom line challenge to it. So this organization will serve as advocates for our customers and advocates for our new technologies, and they will be the glue in the organization that see to it that our unequaled services and capabilities are delivered to the customers in the best way possible.
Obviously, the reason why we are changing is to improve, and that should be the overall objective for all of us. And improve means to improve the quality of the service that we are delivering to the clients.
It's all about understanding customer needs, and it's understanding there's a new set of customers out there that that we need to work for, you know, who are looking at the reservoir directly.
The merging of these two leading geophysical companies provides a wealth of resources for employees to draw upon to improve efficiency.
The merger enables us to challenge each other at every step in the organization and every step in the processes of delivering our services and technologies to our customers to find a better way.
There's a continual pressure on our industry to reduce costs and to provide better service. And the best way we can do that is through improvement in our efficiency. And the best way to achieve that is to find ideas that come from the bottom up in the organization, because the people who are closest to the work best understand the processes and can have the best ideas on how to improve it.
These new challenges mean new opportunities for the employees of WesternGeco.
Let's not look at the way we've been doing business. Let's start focusing on whether we think there's a better way of doing business. And we're taking individuals from certain aspects and certain areas within our organization and completely refiguring it, putting them in areas where they are not familiar with, but they have the skills and the mentality and the wherewithal to make it happen.
We are promoting from within, and we are promoting the people that's hardworking and have a good performance. So if we, through this fairly turbulent merging process, if we just are able to focus on a job and doing a good job, then your career should be secured.
The company is only as successful as its employees are individually, and therefore the company really is the people.
The context of human resources that we're going to have at WesternGeco is unparalleled. Schlumberger has one of the most sophisticated human resources departments in the world, and we're going to be the beneficiaries at WesternGeco in learning to work in this environment where we will have opportunities not only within WesternGeco to step across product lines and across geographies and to mold our careers in the way that meets our personal aspirations and gives us deep satisfaction in achieving our personal goals, but also to step out of WesternGeco into a wider oil field services organization. The opportunities are unparalleled at any point in time in either of the previous organizations, as best as I can tell.
There's going to be a commitment and a focus to how can we make things better for the employees, how can we allow them better opportunities to further their careers, how can we continue to motivate them and to focus them on bringing a return to our investment and focusing on the bottom line.
I really believe that this is going to be a great company to work for and a terrific place to be for the next few years and for the future.
We will see a new industry emerge. We will see that the seismic contractors really are delivering value and getting a small piece of the cake at the same time.
It's such a simple way of looking at things. If we can promote individual growth and personal growth within any organization, that organization will grow in itself, and certainly we will be successful.
To be a part of forming the world's premier geophysical company is something that I never dreamed in my life I would be able to participate in. And I'm sure that every geophysicist in the company feels that the opportunity to work and participate in what will be the world's premier geophysical company is an outstanding opportunity.
With the joining of the two companies, we now have critical mass to come up with wonderful new technologies that would take our competitors years to catch up with. And I mean, it's just going to be absolutely awesome. Yeah, I'm very excited. I really am that be a part of this. This is going to be a lot of fun.
If we do it the right way, then we have some enormous opportunities. But there are a lot of details that should be resolved. And the only way to resolve them is to get the people and each of the employees to help us to work together.
I think on a very personal level, the thing that's very exciting is that there's an opportunity here to participate in the building of a new company in an industry which is going through a tremendous set of changes and revitalization. And I think this is an opportunity that comes along once in a lifetime for most of us in our industries and in our chosen professions. And so, while it's going to be hard, it's going to be a difficult road. I and all the team members that are working on this integration planning have been very enthusiastic in not wanting to miss this ride for the world. I can't imagine any place more fun, more exciting, more challenging. No other place has such a magnetic and gravitational pull as WesternGeco at this point in time.